Hello children, welcome back to online classes. So in previous class I had explained about the lesson 1, that is the circulatory system. I have explained each and everything properly through videos and notes. I hope all of you understood it properly. Now we will try to find out the answers of the given exercise. Okay, first all of you just look at the book. Check and proceed is there from lesson 1. First one, we have to write these lines are true or false. Okay, we have to find it out. First one, the blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart to the different parts of the body are called veins. Just read it properly. The blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart to the different parts of the body are called veins. Is this true or false? So what do you think? This is true or false? First one. Is it the blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart to different parts of the body are called veins or arteries? Yes, arteries are the blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart to different parts of the body. But what do you mean by veins? Veins are the blood vessels that carry blood from all parts of the body to the heart. Where? To the heart. But here it is given from the heart. So the answer is false. Okay. Now the second one. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels. Second one. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels. So all of you just look at the picture. Here capillaries are given. Capillaries are the tiniest blood vessels that connect arteries and veins. We had already read it. So the answer will be true. Third one. WBCs contain hemoglobin that gives red color to blood. Is it true? WBCs means white blood cells. Yes. So here we can easily say that this line is false because hemoglobin is present in RBC, that is red blood cells, but here it is given WBCs. WBCs is white in color, so here the line is wrong, the sentence is wrong. WBCs contain hemoglobin that gives red color to blood, that is false. Fourth one, platelets prevent clotting of blood. So in previous classes we have read about it. Platelets are the components of blood that help in clotting to prevent blood loss in case of any injury. So this line is true. Okay. Now we came to the exercise, that is first question is here. So what is the first sentence? The dash system circulates the blood throughout the body. We have read the whole chapter, that is the circulatory system. So we can easily say that circulatory system circulates the blood throughout the body. Okay. Now second one, there are dash types of blood vessels. First it is given 2, second 4, third one 3, and fourth one is 5. Okay. So what will be the answer? How many types of blood vessels are there? We can easily say that 3 types of blood vessels are there. What are they? Arteries, veins, and capillaries. So the answer will be 3. Okay. Now we are coming to the third question, that is blood brings dash from the cells to the lungs. So here options are given. First one is carbon dioxide, second oxygen, third one is nitrogen, and fourth one is argon. So we have read it. Blood brings carbon dioxide from the cells to the lungs. Now the fourth one. Dash contain hemoglobin which gives red color to our blood. Before this, in check and proceed, we have read it. In RBC, hemoglobin is present. So here the answer will be RBCs contain hemoglobin which gives red color to our blood. Now fifth one. Our heart is protected by dash. First option is lungs, second one is stomach, third one is rib cage, and fourth one is skull. So our heart is protected by what? Rib cage. Yes, all of you just look at the picture here. Rib cage looks like this. Our heart is safely placed in the rib cage. Our lungs also placed in the rib cage. Okay, I hope all of you understood the check and proceed exercise and fill in the blanks completely. So now I'm going to give you the homework. The remaining part, that is true or false, fill in the blanks and match the following. So this is your true or false from the lesson 1. I'm giving you it as a homework. You have to find its answers. You have to write here true or false. Okay, now the next one, it is fill up, means you have to find its answers and write in your rough copy. Okay, here we came the last one from the exercise part, not the question and answers, from the exercise part, that is match the following, match the columns. You have to find its answers also. In next class I will tell you all the 3 questions, 3 exercises, that is true or false, fill ups and match the following. This is your homework. You have to solve and write it in your rough copy. Okay, have a good day all of you.